what we're going to talk about today is social interactions and innovation. People choose who they interact with. Prior to alcohol prohibition, the saloon was a really important social place for the life of the community in which people would interact. And imposing alcohol prohibition causes a decline in patenting of about 12 to 15%. Disrupting how individuals interact has a large but reasonably short-lived effect on the rate of inventive activity. The wet and dry counties in my sample are, I think, surprisingly similar. So one thing we can do is look at places where prohibition referenda were brought up for a vote, but they failed. I think everything here is quite consistent with what we see. It could be the case that alcohol just makes people more creative. My big takeaway here, how I think about these results, is prohibition is going to cause a temporary but dramatic decline in the rate of inventive activity, but a lasting shift in the direction of invention and the structure of these social interactions.